Just take a look at nature. You will see the prominent evidences that all forms of existence are fundamentally one. It is even the response to the laws of oneness that cause the numerous diversities that are very prominent in nature. One of the most prominent ordinances of nature or existence that denotes the oneness of creation is uniqueness. Despite the manifold and seemingly infinite number of various forms of existence, yet every single one of it is unique. No one was like it, no one is like it, and none ever will be like it. Even the members of the same species with similar patterns and forms, even among them, you can never find two that are exactly the same in every manner. Each and every single member is absolutely unique. This absolute prominence or ordinance is unequivocally telling us that there is a super intelligence that is tactically monitoring creation from the smallest to the largest of it. Well, another prominent evidence of oneness is change. Every form of non-existence, change is more prominent even when we take a closer look at the living world. One surprising thing about change is that it is absolutely constant and simultaneous in all forms of existence without exception. This uniformity in the response to change by all forms of existence is another prominent evidence that all existence have a common dynamism. Moreover, just take a look at the natural world. You will immediately see that one of the most common evidences of oneness, which is variety. Every form of life, starting from the smallest to the largest, and every category of existence, starting from the smallest to the largest, all exist in varieties. Most of them exist in thousands, some in hundreds of thousands, some even in millions of varieties. Then I used to wonder, how can these ordinances permeate all existence without exception? Well, on another note, the constancy, the universality, and the prominence of these ordinances is far too vast to be products of coincidences or chances. Well, in my opinion, I think this is oneness. Well, I think at this point, it is quite relevant to bring cycles into the perspective, because cycles are part of the most prominent and constant ordinances in existence. Even non-living things exist in cycles. On a closer look, you will notice that every form of existence has its cycles. Apart from that, every form of life has a cycle and it belongs to another cycle. And that very old cycle it belongs to a bigger one. So it goes in ascending order, smaller cycles being part of the bigger ones up to the level of the universe or multiverse. Of course, the entire existence is a symphony and harmony of cycles, starting from the atom up to the level of the multiverse or universe. At the fundamental level, the entire existence will be a big cycle that contains all the other infinite number of cycles of the manifold parts of this existence. Please, if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, The Absolute Altar TV. Thank you.